how to AirPlay from iPhone to TV. Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can AirPlay from iPhone to TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Photos app on your iPhone. Then you have to go to the Videos section in the Photos app. Over here, just open any video and then you have to tap on this option. Then tap on AirPlay, as I don't have any such TV device on which I can stream my video by using AirPlay. But you don't have to worry about it. I will tell you the next steps. So after tapping on AirPlay, then you have to select the device you want to use with AirPlay. If you are streaming to an AirPlay device that isn't signed into your Apple ID, a code might appear on the display. Then just type in the code on your iPhone or iPad and tap OK. To stop streaming, just tap on the AirPlay button again and then tap on your device from the list. So that's how you can AirPlay from iPhone to TV. That's all for this video. If you really found it helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.